Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 7, Diphthongs. These are the exercise number 17, 18 and 19 in this video. Let's start with exercise number 17. Be ready. Start. When I was in your shop on the parade, I saw a different type of tire tube. I should like to buy 4 or 5 of them for my car. I think you will enjoy our show if you can come to see it. I wish you to make out a check for the boiler and get it off tonight by airmail. Our failure to do what they wish may annoy them, but how can we do what they ask? The village was a mile beyond the mouth of the Y. Do you know when Roy and Dinah are going to Cuba? I know the boy would like to go with them. Why was the charge put on my March bill? Do you know when the ship may leave? It will go out with the tide at 5. How far do you have to go? Do you wish to come with me? You should write your name in ink at the bottom of the form. Next is exercise number 18. Be ready. Start. What do you think we ought to do? I think we should give them a month in which to pay the bill. If you wish to catch the boat, you will have to leave early. I think you will have to buy a coil for your car. If you can arrive at 5, you will be in time for the talk. I have no wish to annoy you, but I think the debt should be paid. I admire the type of youth who will do a job thoroughly for a low outlay. You can get a couch for the room. A cure for the lazy boy would be to give him a job which would keep him busy. Why have you allowed our bill to go unpaid? What can we do for you? You can read and write for an hour. How can we keep in touch with them when they go away? Why do you think it would be the wrong thing to do? I think you are right, but you may have to show why you are making the change. This is exercise number 19. Be ready. Start. If we are to pay our way, we shall have to get new revenue. I should like to do what you ask, but I have no power to do so. It will be your duty to check each item we charge. I shall go to the automobile show and I may buy a new car. Do you wish to renew your fire policy? It will be due tomorrow. I am aware of the value of a shop window on the avenue. I will give you a cheap rate to Niagara via the lake route. What would be your rate for a large room with bath or shower? We had a fire and our factory was idle for a month. So we had a poor year. I have no wish to argue with you, for you may be right in what you say. You will rub your eyes when you see our new era car. Why are you buying a poor type of oil when you can get a pure oil for your money? Poor oil may damage your car. It will pay you to buy a purer variety. These are the 3 exercises of chapter number 7. This is the distinctive outline. P through the line and upward R is used here for pure with U diphthong, and P through the line downward R and dark dash vowel on the third place before R is used here for poor. Okay, these are the three exercises of chapter number 7. आप लोगों को कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.